Number one sign you are close to manifesting more money using the law of attraction. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and there's probably a sign that you're very close to a financial transformation, but you haven't noticed yet. Let me show you this number one sign. Okay, so you've been visualizing, you have your clear goal, you've been working hard, you've been taking action on your goals, you've been showing up to life, not letting your fear control you, and your goal has been, and your actions have been toward changing your financial life. You've been saving, even if you only make $1 a week, you've been saving 10 cents of that dollar. You've been doing all the things in your control to change your financial life. That being so, here's the number one sign that you can and are close to manifesting more money. Because what happens is we don't notice, and there's generally one thing that holds us back. And that one thing is that we become attached to our old financial position. So the number one sign that you're really close to manifesting more money is you're no longer personally identifying with your financial situation. So what happens is, let's say somebody is in a lot of debt, or somebody is accustomed to making a certain amount of money, a minimum wage job. What happens is your personal identity over time becomes one and the same and identified with that financial position. So often the hardest thing is to actually change your self-image in relation to money. And what happens is people, they work hard, they're working every day to change it, they have a clear path, a clear goal, a proven system that works, they've been saving their money, they've been studying books on money to change their psychology of wealth. But what happens is they're still identified with their old story that has $1,000 in their bank account or $12 in their bank account. And they're identified with it, and it's stopping them. So here's what I'm saying. Emotionally detach from any lack in your life. You have to understand that your current results, or the results you have been experiencing in the past, are literally just due to the way that you used to think and they used to behave. And when you grasp that, what happens is your bank account stops controlling your thinking. Most people, their biggest problem is they're doing the work, they're doing everything they need to do, but then they look at their bank account or they look at their paycheck, and then that controls their thinking. And they say, I'm worth this much, I'm this, I'm this, I'm this. No. Stop identifying with it and ask yourself this question. Does your thinking control your bank account, or does your bank account control your thinking? Most people cannot see a different future because their bank account controls their thinking. So affirm, God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. Comment that down below. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. And ask yourself that question. Is my bank account controlling my thinking, or is my thinking controlling my bank account? In order to change your financial life, the number one sign you're close to things shifting is that you're no longer looking at the appearance of things as reality. People will get all excited. They'll work hard. They'll have a clear vision of what they want. They'll know what they want. They'll have a plan to do it. And they get all excited. And then they open their eyes to the world. And then it says this little money in the beginning. And they're like, oh yeah, I'm broke. No longer emotionally attached to that. So comment down below. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. Today, notice, whenever it is that your mind wants to attach to your old lack and limitations, and recognize that's not who you are. That's just your past. It's not who you are. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance down below. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Download that down below to get rid of all of those limiting beliefs and thought systems in your subconscious mind. jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Even if you've already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell notification, because that's what notifies you for new videos. So subscribe right over there, hit the bell notification, comment down below, God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance, and ask yourself, does your thinking control your bank account, or does your bank account control your thinking?